I'll just start playing this game now. Click on start driving. Hear that cinematic background sound. I'll start accelerating and then I'll increase my speed. I'm going, 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 I'm going. All this is a 3D GTA game which was built completely using OpenAI Codex. We're going to be exploring that in this video. Without much ado, let's go ahead. OpenAI just released the Codex app. Now, Codex itself has been around for a while. It's been their autonomous coding agent, but now they have the app which you can install on your computer. For now, it's only available to Mac OS users. So if you click on download for Mac OS, it's going to bring you to the downloads page. You can simply just go to openai.com/codex and you're going to see there is this button. You can click and you download the IDE and install it on your Mac OS. Now it gives us some simulations of what Codex can achieve. You can see all of them here and it's used by these big companies. I don't know what they use it for, but I believe what they say. You can see. So just click on download. And when you install it, it's going to bring you, you're going to see the Codex app on your computer. It looks something like this. I'll just open this. I've been testing this out. That's why you see all of this here. I've tested it out. I built a landing page with it. I'll just show you the landing page right now while we go on to try to figure out what we can do with Codex. So this is the landing page I built for a supplement brand and I added the pictures there. It did its best. I want to believe this is a good landing page, but it could be better. So when you open the Codex app, there's quite a lot we can do. You can see you can open new thread. You can set automations very, very quickly. For example, this one, scan recent commits since the last run or last 24 hours for likely bugs and propose minimal fixes. So you can add this automation whereby when you commit anything to GitHub, it's going to scan it for any errors, any bugs, and propose solutions to fix it. And there are other summarize CI failures and flashy tasks with the CI window, suggest fixes. So you can do all of that. Now, before we go ahead, let's just go to click on this Codex app here, and we want to go to settings. Make sure your app is up to date. Let's go to settings. Now you can click and choose the default open destination. For me, I'll put it on Finder. I have Cursor, I have Anti-Gravity, I have Terminal, I have Android Studio, I have PyCharm. I even have VS Code. You can set any of these, but I'll just use Finder. And then thread detail, steps with code, and all of that. I'll just leave it as it is. And of course, you can make it light, dark, or system. I'll leave it to system. My system is dark mode. Now, when we come to configurations, you can configure this config.toml file here. I'll just leave this the way it is. Personalization, come that. You can choose your personality, either friendly, which is the default, or pragmatic, which is concise, task, focus, and direct. And then you can give it custom instructions, edit instructions that tailor Codex to you. Take, for example, you can see you are a high-end senior full-stack developer. Think programmatically, mathematically, and in marketing terms about every task given you. Now, this is how to make it not just be a coder, but a business person. I'll say be a business tech entrepreneur or techpreneur. Such that you approach every task from a tech and marketing or business marketing standpoint. You can just do the same thing I've done here. You can screenshot this and and transcribe it and give it to your own. I will save that. And MCP servers, of course, you can configure MCP servers here. I'm not going to go to that. Git, you can configure your Git here. And I'll go back. I'll just go back a notch. I'll just go back. I'll close this and go back to top. I'll open this. We will come now to skills. You can create skills here. The skill installer used to be under the settings, but this is a skill installer. You can install any of these skills here. GitHub Fix CL. You can install this skill, particular skill. You can install, let's say, Cloudflare Deploy. It's going to make everything easy for you. Figma implementation design. Deploy web game. Yes, that's good. GitHub address comments. Yes. There are a lot of skills here you can install. Sora. I'm not going to be using this for Sora for now. And there are quite a number of them. Vessel deploy. Of course, I love Vessel. I use it for front end a lot. OpenAI Docs, screenshot, yes. You can give it all of these skills. They make your work really, 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 really easy. Of course, Netlify, Jupyter Notebooks, not much. Figma, yes. So these are the skills I've given it. Now I want to create a brand new project. So I'll click on new project. For some reason, okay, it brings me here. I'll click on new project. I want to see new project, add new project. And I'll go under documents. Let's see, I'm just going to say add new folder, and I'm going to say landing page design, landing page design. I'll create that, and then I'll now open it. And I want to see, you can dictate this. I'll just use this dictate. Create me a visually appealing landing page for a workout brand that sells workout equipment. You can also generate photos if you can. So I'll just, while it loads, you can choose your model. Oh, it's already running, but you could also choose your model here. Now it's on GPT 5.2 codex. You could use extra high, you could use medium, you could use GPT 5.2 high, but let's just use the way it is. So it's going to take some time to run the code, and I'll just pause the video. All of this took, I want to believe, about, let's see, about 30 to 45 seconds. So I'm just going to open this, and let's see. And this is the very, very visually appealing landing page. This is amazing. Now you can create a path within that folder and give it pictures to use. You can just go to, let's say, pexels.com and give it pictures to use, or you can embed your Pexels API. If you have a Pexels account, you can give it an API key, and it's going to search for pictures inside and use it here. Let's go back to the codex model. Now I want to give it a new prompt. I'll say build me a GTA clone in 3D. Now I want to use extra high for this, and I'll just hit that. It prompts me to answer some questions. Target platform, let's just say web. Number 2, minimum features, let's just say driving only. Yes. Number 3, visual style, let's say I'll just say minimalist, but realistic. Number 4, timeline, yes, quick prototype. We don't have all the, oh, sorry, quick prototype. So that's it. And then I'll hit enter. Let's see what it tells me. Codex is done doing its thing. It says build a 3D driving prototype in index.html with 3.js with a start overlay, basic car physics, and all of that. Added deterministic hooks, windows, all of that. Automation. It says how to run from users, admin, downloads, images, landing page design. So I have to go to this particular location in my computer. I'm going to open my terminal and I'm going to go to this particular location. You can just cd into it and then you start a server Python 3 LM, all of that. I'm just going to open my terminal now and do that. Here, I've just cd'd into it. Make sure to give it this quote. I'll just paste the next prompt and run that. And it's going to be starting this, saving HTTP on this particular port. Now I will come back to this and I want to copy localhost, this, and I'm going to go to my browser and run it there. Now you can see as I run it on localhost 5173, I can start driving. Just so you know, I am not a gaming person. So if you see me not being able to play this game, just understand. And how do they even drive? How do they drive? You know what? This is the game. I'm going to come back to Codex and see how do I drive. I'll see. Let me just use my microphone. I've started the game, but I have no idea how to drive the car. So how do I drive? Just give me some steps. Just teach me how to game. So I'll give it that. It's going to give me steps. Oh, I didn't know it was this easy. Say start driving, press enter. Hold W or this arrow key to accelerate. You stay using this tool. Oh, okay. Reverse using the back key. You get stuck. Reset using R. I'll just put it in caps and press F for full screen. Oh, I didn't know gaming was that easy. So I'll come back here. So I'll start driving now. I'll start driving. Oh my. But it seems I'm alone on the road. Let me increase my screen brightness. I'm alone on the road. All right, now, you know what? I'll just stop it there. I'll go back to Codex and I would say the game is quite good, but one thing I notice is that it appears I'm alone on the road. I don't see coming cars. It looks very boring. You should add some other stuff like buildings on the side. You should make the road to be more fun. There should be people passing nearby, and there should be cars coming towards me such that I'm not racing alone. So can you do that? I'm going to give it that and see what it does. Here we have it. It tells me edited these summary, added sidewalks, showed us a crosswalk and all of that, how to use it. Run Python in this particular. I'm going to copy that and run it again. So I'll go back to my terminal, or it shows me file not found. I'll come back here and try to fix that. You know what? Let me just first of all load this again. Then I start driving. Okay, it's already taking effect. And if I can drive now. Oh, oh. Am I losing my mind? Okay. You see, I'll drive now, drive. I seem to be driving in a very weird way. I don't know if there's a car that can drive this way. Let me see what happens. Okay, so I can actually turn. So I'm turning 360. All right, I'm now straight. I've now come to the road. Oh, I'm driving. That's pretty fun. That's pretty fun. Oh my. What happens? That's a very, very fun GTA game. Oh. Look at that. Look. What am I doing? It looks like a Tesla. I'm going ahead. All right. Oh, wow. Can I accelerate? Yes. Okay. This is really good. Okay, I'll just stop the game right now. I'll pause the game right now. I want to return to you see it gave me, it said yes, W to accelerate and move forward. And I'll ask it now, how do I increase speed? There should be a way of increasing speed, and also there should be an effect if I crash. Let's say if I crash with another car, there should be an effect. Also, I want to be able to turn over very, very effectively. Let's see, I, just find a way to do that. I'll give you that. Now, these are the controls that have been added. It says increase speed, hold shift to boost, higher max speed plus stronger acceleration. Turn very effectively, hold space for a handbrake turn, sharper steering plus, oh my god, crash effect, hitting the tragic, a flash plus camera shake. Okay, so I'll just go back and I'll reload this and then I'll start driving. And if I hold shift, okay, if I hold shift, you can see now it's going faster, it's going faster, it's going faster. Let me, oh, yes, you see, I want to crash, I want to crash. Oh, I want to space. Okay, but it says I can turn space, 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 space. Right, I want to target this car. I don't like this guy. I just want to crash his car. No, I hit him. Yeah, yeah. That I can't believe that wicked guy dodged me. Oh, so, oh. Good Lord. What's happening? I seem not to be able to hit the bad guys. Where are they? Where are they? I'm chasing them. Okay, shift. I'm chasing them. Or you know what? I'll just turn. The bad guys are this way. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? It says a whole space. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Here is. And that is it, bad guy. You must die now. You know what? I was unable to kill any of the bad guys. Let's just see if one more time I can. You know, sometimes, accept what life gives you. Yes. Um, they don't. You don't want me to kill the bad guys. Now I'm going towards them. I'm racing towards them. Shift, shift. For some reason, I'm still unable to crash the bad guys' cars. But I'll just leave it as that for now. I made some edits. I've made some edits. So Codex has done all of this. And it's added some epic background music. I hope this time around I'll be able to crash the bad guys. Okay, I'll start driving. Oh, right. But the music doesn't seem to play. Let me increase my volume. Let me reload this again. And it says music M to mute, handbrake, shift. Let me tell you that the music doesn't play. Let me see, the music doesn't play, shift. I'm still unable to crash the bad guys. Maybe God wants me to forgive them. Yeah, forgiveness is always good. But if some bad guys on the internet scammed you or they scammed your grandma, I don't know, you'd want to crash their cars, don't you? Wouldn't you? Oh, you know what? I'll pause this right now, come back to Codex and see the music doesn't play. I'll tell you the music doesn't play. Hello, bro. The music doesn't play. So how do I play? How I don't want to be able to open the soundtrack on my own. I want it to play within the music, within the game. That's what I want to do. So you say how to add it, open, reload the page and start. No, I don't want that. I want it to play within the game. It says click free download and then save to MP as BGM, reload the page and start. Anyways, let me try to do what it's telling me to do. I'll open this. Let's try to. I'll save this. I'll download this as MP3. So when it downloads, I'll download this as MP3. I'll just rename this. Let me rename this to BGM. All right. It's reloaded. It says reload the page and click start drive. Okay, it's already on my downloads folder. So I'll reload this page. And if I start driving, yeah, I hear the music now. Okay, so I play. Yes, I hear the music now. All right. Okay, I'll just mute it. You know what? This is where my journey testing this app comes to an end. So that's it. OpenAI Codex is a very, very powerful tool. You can use it to do a lot. Normally, I use Nano Banana a lot. You can see Nano Banana here. I have the pro version, but I'm beginning to like Codex. I'm going to be experimenting and doing more videos about it. I'll use it to build complex software. Watch out my channel for more tutorials on this. So, subscribe, please. Subscribe.